So, welcome back again. Let's have another video. First of all, I would like to show you another beautiful place. What we just found it. Let's start from here. I'm not sure if I can get in. I'm not sure, but I will try to show you from here. Zoom it. So this is part 1, okay? Let's go to part 2. Let's see. Number 2. So it is really big, it's huge. I'm not sure how you guys can see it, but I'm telling you, it's big. Big motherfucker. Here I tried to take a video, I tried to record it from this angle as well, but the sun bothers me. Okay, next one. Let's turn around. Here is another one. It looks really nice. I hope you guys can see clearly. And now I show you the messy one. Look at this big temple. It's huge, it's massive. I hope you guys can see everything and exactly how I see it. It is really beautiful. I have to keep a distance because otherwise I cannot record it. Look at this massive building, and this wood, everything is wood. Okay, I'll show you from distance a little bit, from this side, and now I will try to get closer, and let's check what can we find there. I'm not sure what is there, what it says, but probably people coming here, they're praying and they use these things. It's so beautiful. Smells like I don't know what kind of smell is this, but it's so nice. Basically you pray here, and after you pray you throw one coin there, and that's it. Let's continue. So it looks like we can walk in to the temple. So I will walk into the temple, but first I want to show you from outside. Yeah, it's beautiful. So I will try to find out if I can walk in. We need to buy the tickets again. I understand. So I will continue walking, and I show you the other place, the other building as well, because there is another one here behind us. It's a massive one as well. Everybody stays quiet. Probably I am too loud. I don't know, but I will show you this massive building. It's all wood. It looks so beautiful from here. I don't know. I hope you guys can see everything what I see, and clearly as well, of course. Let's go closer so I can record more details. Okay, we are in the shadow under this massive building. So now we record from here. Very beautiful. So basically this is a main entrance as far as I see. Yes. Let's check. Yes. Yes. And we turn back on the right side. And I will show you another one. On the same time you can watch it from the distance, the big one, the huge one. So we find someone here. He's my friend from long time. I haven't met him, but he's praying for me as well. So say hello to my friend. My subscribers say hello to you, and we will pray for my channel as well. So thank you so much. Look at this beautiful building, and let's continue slowly. Let's check what we will find on here. This is something behind the trees. They try to hide it from us, but we find it. So let's get closer and check the details. So first, stairs. Yeah, now we see the details. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Now I will try to go under the trees if it's possible and nobody will shout. But people don't shout on here, so it's okay. I think I can walk on here under the trees. Nice shadow, so I can see this side of the building as well. Show you some details. So this is the building from a different angle, different side. And now probably I have to turn back and walk back. So if you guys come here, you will have a opportunity